I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and it's sexy season, baby.
In the last 6.5 months, I've lost over 100 pounds. Girlfriend, over 100 pounds. I'm at the finish line, okay?
I'm grateful to Kenya. I've lost a total of 75 pounds.
So if you want this to be the sexiest summer of your life, get the super stomach shredder membership from KenyaCrooksNetwork.com right now. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert. And look, I have a move for you today that's going to hit your back fat. That's going to hit your thighs. That's going to hit your booty. I'm trying to tell you, I got 3 moves for you. Wrapped into one. So if you got that little bra issue, you know that little chunky part up under your bra strap. If you got that part, you got that issue going on, look, I got something for you. If you got, that thigh problems, the way it still like kind of jiggles up in here, I got you, no problem. If you want that thing to sit high, you want that thing to sit round, you want that thing to sit tight, I'm just saying, look, this move right here, one move wrapped into 3. I'm just saying, well, 3 wrapped into 1. That's what I meant to say. 3 wrapped into 1. Look, you're going to be good to go. So, but before we do this, do me a favor. Click the bell and subscribe to this YouTube channel right now. Click the bell, click see all, because I don't want you to miss anything. Also, too, if you want moves sent to your phone, do me a favor, text the word Kenyafied to 313-131. Let me say it again, 313-131. Okay, the word Kenyafied, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you a move of the day or give you some inspiration Monday through Friday, and you'll be good to go. Y'all know I like to send stuff on Saturday too because, I like to do impromptu stuff on Saturdays, like doing live workouts, and I don't want you to miss anything. Also too, get the super stomach shredder membership. If you're trying to lose 60 pounds in the next 3 months, if you're trying to get rid of your pooch, because again, I am the pooch killer. I'm the greatest pooch killer of all time. No matter how many C-sections I can get it gone. All you need is my supplement line and my online workout program to get super sexy and super fine. I train superstars and I'm going to help you look like one too. So make sure you go to KenyaCrooksNetwork.com to get the membership, the super stomach shredder membership. And also too, if you just want to try the online workout program for 7 days, go to KenyaCrooksNetwork.com again and click on the 7-day challenge. And basically, I'm going to put you on our page, our Facebook page, and you get daily homework, you'll get daily videos. And guess what? I'm going to help you drop 5 to 10 pounds in 1 week. So take my 7-pound challenge. You got all kind of options. But again, make sure you click on the bell here to subscribe to this channel. And make sure you click see all. So you got all kind of different things that you can do today. So let me give you your move of the day. And if you agree, and do this in the comment section, okay? Don't look, because I know during the live chat, y'all be like, I got you, coach. But I need for you to, in the comment section below, after this video is over, go to the comment section, put, I got you, coach. And then once you've done it, put hashtag done to let me know that you've done it. Now, let me give you your move, okay? We're going to do a 30 count, okay? So you're going to squat. Boom, give me that upright row. Hit me here. And then you're going to drop it down. And then you're going to fly. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, rock with me, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, finish it off, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, boom, 30, boom. So that's how you do that movement. Again, you're going to hit your back fat, hit your shoulders, hit your thighs, hit your booty. And if you agree to knock that out, say, I got you, coach. Use 5-pound weights. Because I know a lot of people be like, but what size weights? You can use 3s or you can use 5s. But either way, knock them out. And if you got me, say I got you, coach. Now, life homework. Are you ready for your life homework? Look, let me give it to you. Today, for the next 24 hours, you can't snap on nobody. I'm calling this the no snap challenge. Let me say it again. The no snap challenge. And what I mean by that is you can't get bothered by people. You can't get emotional with people. You can't get like Carl Thomas. You can't be, tell me what's the use in holding on if we can't be friends. You're not emotional. I'm saying you can't get emotional today. So anytime somebody tries to get you up out of your character, anytime you realize that somebody is trying to hurt your feelings, trying to get you all out of sorts, because you have some people who get off on the fact that they can get you out of character, get you out of sorts. You have people who intentionally try to rob you of your joy, but don't give them the satisfaction today. How about that? We're going to work on patience. We're going to work on protecting our peace. We're going to work on protecting our joy. We're going to work on being powerful, because anytime you let people get to you and bother you like that, you hand over your keys to people. You hand over your power to people. Now imagine this. Imagine you giving your car, the keys to your car, to somebody who was blind, and you wondering why your car is always in a ditch. They can't see, but you continuously give them power over you. Stop giving people power, okay? So don't you snap today. If you agree to take my no snaps challenge today and not to mess it up, and that also includes your kids, because your kids gonna get on your nerves too. But I'm gonna need for you to keep your peace, even with them. Handle things without being emotional. Don't be like Carl Thomas. I'm just saying. So if you got me, say I got you, coach. Again, make sure you click on the bell to subscribe and click see y'all. Make sure you text me at 313-131 using keyword KenyaFi if you want me to send videos to your phone. Me personally sending them to you. And then if you want to get the super stomach shredder membership, go to KenyaCrooksNetwork.com. I'm going to coach you personally. Again, that's a $98. That's a $98 program per month. That's actually worth $3,000. So take advantage of that. And I promise you, you'll absolutely love it. I promise you. And also, too, if you want 7 free days of online, go to KenyaCrooksNetwork.com to get that, too. Because, again, look, I'm going to coach you personally. And you're not going to get a celebrity trainer for $98 or for free nowhere. So take advantage, and I look forward to helping you. Again, it's a no-snap kind of day. So love each and every single last one of you. Again, we don't participate in life. We dominate life. I build bodies that will attract, so you'll never have to chase ever again. I'm getting you queued up to get booed up, baby. So let's get it.